Let's do a quick Learn Ilocano video, Mudra. What's our Ilocano word? You gave me the idea last night when you said kwa. 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 Kwa.
Kwa.
Yeah. Sa Ilocano, in Ilocano, kwa is used as a filler. The Tagalog equivalent would be kwan. Kwan sa Tagalog. Sa Ilocano ay kwa. You know, when you couldn't think of the word and you need to use a filler word.
Yung
In
kwa.
Ilocano, we used kwa. Example, we just did our grocery. We just did our grocery at Food for Less. I forgot to buy, in Ilocano, nalipatak nga gumatang tikwa. Tikwa. Nalipatak nga gumatang tikwa.
Sibuyas.
Tagalog, Mudra. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng kwan. That is just a quick Ilocano WOTD. Kwa. Kwa. Say kwa.
Wa.
Kwa. Time to go. Agawid kamin. Mabisin kamin. Who's sleepy?
Hey.
Sleepy?